Ethereum staking allows users to earn yield on their ETH for helping to secure the network. One of the best ways to access ETH staking is through liquid staking tokens, or LSTs. When you deposit ETH with a liquid staking provider or purchase these LSTs on the open market, you receive a tokenized receipt that represents your ETH plus the ETH staking yield that you can earn. As such, this tokenized receipt can be treated like ETH. It can be used in other DeFi protocols to earn extra yield or take out loans, all while keeping the staking yield along the way. The primary liquid staking providers today include Lido, Rocket Pool, Frax, and Coinbase. Lido's ST-ETH is the largest and best entrenched LST. You can use it across most blue chip DeFi protocols, including Maker, Compound, and Aave, and you can reliably exchange it back and forth with ETH. Rocket Pool is the original liquid staking provider and offers the best decentralized approach to LSTs. Unlike Lido, anyone can access ETH deposits on Rocket Pool to run their own staking node. This means Rocket Pool is the most diverse and decentralized liquid staking solution and helps to protect the security of the Ethereum network itself. Frax ETH comes from the major stablecoin issuer by the same name. Frax utilizes similar mechanics around its stablecoin to incentivize liquidity and integrations on Frax ETH in a capital efficient manner. Frax ETH is separated into two tokens. Only the staked Frax Ether earns staking APY. Because only one of the tokens keeps all of the staking rewards, there is a potential for Frax ETH users to earn higher yield than the other LSTs. Lastly, Coinbase's CB-ETH is the newest to the LST game. CB-ETH currently lacks the integrations and tenure that other LSTs have. However, CB-ETH is of course the preferred LST of the Coinbase ecosystem. They offer an easy onboarding experience within the Coinbase app itself and likely will have special privileges pertaining to CB-ETH on their base network.